Have you ever wondered why someone with Botox might seem a bit more poker-faced than usual? Welcome to the fascinating world of neuroscience and biobehavioral psychology. Today we delve into the groundbreaking research of Dr. Freitas-Magalhães, as detailed in his best-selling book, Botox Face, Brain and Emotion. Botox, or botulinum toxin, is well known for its cosmetic uses. It smooths out wrinkles by paralyzing the underlying muscles. But this physical effect, as Dr. Freitas-Magalhães discusses, has psychological implications too. It's all connected to a principle in psychology known as the facial feedback hypothesis. The facial feedback hypothesis suggests that our facial expressions do not merely reflect our emotions, but they also influence them. In other words, the act of smiling can make you feel happier, while frowning can make you feel sadder. So what happens when Botox paralyzes certain facial muscles and hinders the ability to fully express emotions? According to Dr. Freitas-Magalhães, this lack of facial mobility could potentially dampen the emotional experience. To put it simply, if you can't frown, your brain might find it harder to feel sad. On the flip side, if you can't smile, it might be more difficult for your brain to feel happy. This intriguing interplay between the brain, our facial muscles, and our emotional state is a key area of research within neuroscience and biobehavioral psychology. In his book, Dr. Freitas-Magalhães also explores the social implications of the Botox face. When we interact with others, we rely heavily on facial cues to interpret their emotions. But what happens when these cues are missing or muted? The result could be miscommunication or misunderstanding, further highlighting the profound impact of our facial expressions on our social interactions. So, what have we learned today? Firstly, Botox does more than smooth out wrinkles. It could potentially affect our emotional experience. Secondly, our facial expressions play a critical role in our social interactions and emotional well-being, a concept backed by the facial feedback hypothesis. And finally, the intricate relationship between our brain, our facial muscles, and our emotions is a captivating area of study in the field of neuroscience and biobehavioral psychology. And with that, we conclude our journey into the intriguing world of Botox face, brain and emotion. Until next time, keep those neurons firing and your curiosity alive.